Ayun. Ayan po. Diretso na lang tayo nagluto. Kasi nilalo ko kanina parang may loko-loko dyan sa video ko. Hindi ko alam kasi ito po. Ay! Sardines with tomato with onion. Ay! Aray po! With miswa. Oh my God. This is nice. Guys. Oh. Oh my God. Too much. Sila. Ito po yung pagluluto natin. So, yun yan guys. Maaso-aso po yung kaldero. Niluluto tayo ng tawag na po yung sardines at saka tomato, onion with miswa. So, pagkatapos ito lalagyan natin ng tubig para magiging ng jasmine. We will put water now. Now guys, we'll put water. Okay. It's already boiled. Yeah. Now, haluin natin to. Haluin natin. So, kumukulo na po siya. Just starting boiling like this. Okay. Just boiling. Yes, you can keep close at least 10 minutes to boil very well the tomato, onion, and sardines. Okay? So now we will close it. This one guys, this is the menu for Filipinos. Some Filipinos, they want to eat the same like this food.